Hey, welcome. This is Keith Van Wimmer, Van Tech Consulting. We get some requests from people who want to get a copy of their certification or their certificate, or they need to provide it to a prospective employer or a potential client, etc. So if you've lost, misplaced, whatever your certificate, there's a couple different ways that we can get a duplicate. So the first thing you want to do is come to the etai.org. This is our starting spot. So once you get here, if you come up to your member login and click on that, you'll come over to the member login page. Now, if you've already logged in or signed up for an account, you can just go ahead and log in. If you need to sign up, just click on the sign up. So pretty straightforward stuff. So we're going to go ahead and log in here. This is actually a pretty helpful site for people that have ETA certifications. So once you're here and logged in, certifications is where you want to go. And if you do a renew or view my certifications, it will show you all your current active certifications with the ETA. So in order to get a duplicate or a copy of your certificate, if you click on the radio button for whichever certificate you want, so this is my fiber optic OSP or FOSP certification, and then you hit the print button, it will give you a reference copy. All right, so this is exactly the same as the one that was sent to you. The only difference is we don't have the gold seal here. All right. So it has your FOSP or your certification number, issue date, expiration date, so on and so forth, and tells you what you're certified in. So that's one method of doing it. The other method is, as long as you're logged in, you can come over to the store and just hit browse, and you come down a couple rows, and these certificates, you can get replacement certificates. So you can just get the actual certificate with the gold seal on it. That costs you $15. You can get a certificate in the pocket or the wallet card, and that's $25. Or you can get the replacement wallet card only for $10. So you would just click on these and add it to the cart and do your typical checkout, and there you go. We hope you found it useful for getting a duplicate of your certification or your certificate. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please let us know, or feel free to give the kind folks at ETA a call. They're always happy to help. Until next time, we appreciate your subscribing. We want you to be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.